So, welcome back, friends, in this JLpT series where you learn about Japanese. And it is our class 8. And in this class, we will learn about vegetable names in Japanese. So, this is our vegetable chart. And this is English names. This is Japanese with kanji. And this is hiragana or katakana. And this is romanized form of Japanese, means ramaji. So, for carrot, means ninjin. Ninjin. For potato, it is jagaimo. Jagaimo. For sweet potato, it is shatsumaimo. Shatsumaimo. For tomato, it is tomato. Tomato. For cucumber, it is curry. Curry. For spinach, it is horenso. Horenso. For cabbage, it is kyabetsu. Kyabetsu. For lettuce, it is retasu. Retasu. For onion, it is tamanegi. Tamanegi. For green onion, it is naganegi. Naganegi. For garlic, it is ninniku. Ninniku. For ginger, it is shogo. Shoga. Shoga. For radish, it is daikon. Daikon. For eggplant, it is nasu. Nasu. For bell pepper, it is piman. Piman. For chili pepper, it is togarashi. Togarashi. For pumpkin, it is kobocha. Kobocha. For mushroom, it is shiitake. 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 For broccoli, it is broccoli. Broccoli. For cauliflower, it is cauliflower. Cauliflower. For peas, it is mame. Mame. For corn, it is tomorokoshi. Tomorokoshi. For bamboo shoot, it is takenoko. Takenoko. For burdock root, it is gobo. Gobo. For lotus root, it is rincon. 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 For asparagus means apurusugasu. Asupurugasu. For celery, it is serori. Serori. Now let's see some examples of vegetables name in Japanese. So the first example is ninjin wa oranjiro desu. Means carrots are orange. The second example is jagaimo de potato chipsu o tsukurimasu. Means we make potato chips from potatoes. The next example is satsumaimo wa amakute oishii desu. Means sweet potatoes are sweet and delicious. The next example is tomato wa sarada ni yoku tsukawaremasu. Tsukawaremasu means tomato are often used in salads. The next example is kyuri wa suiban. Kyuri wa suibun ga oi yasai desu. Means cucumbers are vegetables with lots of water. The next example is horenso wa tetsubun ga houfu desu. Means spinach is rich in iron. Seventh example is kyabetsu o sengiri ni shitte kudasai. Means please shred the cabbage. The next example is reta suwa hamburger ni hatteimasu means lettuce is inside hamburgers. The next is tamanegi o kiru to namaida demas means cutting onions makes you cry. And the next example is naganegi o mishoru mishoshiru ni iremashita means I put green onions in miso soup. The next example is shoga wa kaze ni yoi desu means ginger is good for colds. The next is daikon oroshi o tabeta koto ga arimasu ka means have you ever eaten grated daikon? The next is nasu wa yaite mo nitte mo oishii desu means eggplants are delicious whether grilled or boiled. The next is piiman. Piiman ga nigatte na ito mo imasu means some people dislikes bell peppers. The next is togarashi o ireru to ryori ga karaku narimasu means adding a red chili peppers makes the dish spicy. The next is kabocha no suppu ga suki desu means I like pumpkin soup. The next is shitake wa wasoku ni yoku sukawaremasu means shintake mushrooms are often used in Japanese cuisine. The next is broccoli ni wa vitamin C ga oi desu means broccoli contains a lot of vitamin C. The next is cauliflower wa shiroi yasui desu means cauliflower is a white vegetable. The next is mame gohan o tsukurimashita means I made pea rice. And the next is tomo tomorokoshi wa natsu no yasui desu means corn is a summer vegetable. The next is takenoko wa haru ni toremasu means bamboo shoots are harvested in springs. The next example is renkon ni wa ana ga arimasu means lotus roots have holes in them. The next is asparagus wa hosonegai kotachi o shitteimasu means asparagus has long and thin shape. The next is serori wa shaka shitteimasu means celery is crunchy. The next is ninjin jutsu o nomimashita means I drank carrot juice. The next is piiman o itamete kudasai means please stir fry the bell pepper. The next is tamanegi wa itameru to amaku narimasu means onion becomes sweet when fried. The next example is shiatake o yattei shoyu de tabemashita means I grilled shiitake mushroom and ate them with soy sauce. The next is broccoli o yudemashita means I boiled broccoli. The next is cauliflower wa kare ni aimasu means cauliflower goes well with curry. The next is gobo wa sokumotsu seni ga hofu desu. Seni ga hofu desu means burdock root is rich in fiber. The next is tomorokoshi wa yattei mo oishii desu means grilled corn is delicious. The next is rain corn o usugiri ni shimashita, means I sliced lotus roots thinly. The next is takenoko. Takenoko gohan o tsukurimashita, means I make bamboo shoot rice. The next is kyabetsu no sengiri ga suki desu, means I like shredded cabbage. The next is kabocha wa suppa ni suru to oishii desu, means pumpkin is delicious when made into soup. The last example is seruri wa dokutoku na kaori ga arimasu, means celery has unique aroma.